Welcome everybody. This is the review of the Montblanc 146 LeGrand pencil. So this is a twist action pencil. As you can see, I'm just twisting the top there. That's a 0.9mm lead. This is the gold coated version. You can get this in platinum as well. So let's talk about parts of the pencil. So you've got this section here which is gold coated, and then the pen itself is made out of black precious resin. On the cap you got three bands, the middle center band being the thickest. It also has the Montblanc name on it, and it says Meisterstück as well. So I'll just show you there. There you go. Then you've got the clip itself, which is functional, and then you've got the Montblanc star as well. There you go. So to refill this pencil, we just take apart the lid, just pull it just like that. You then have the eraser, the rubber, depending on where you're from. The thing I like about this is it's highly polished. It looks like copper, but it may be coated in potentially gold as well. So you've got the actual rubber piece here, and then you've got the mount for it. Then you've got the mechanism which is inside. Maximum 3 leads. It actually tells you on here. If we can get that zoom in, there you go. Maximum 3 leads. And the thing I like about this is, you may just be able to see it, is the entry hole for the leads themselves actually has the Montblanc star. It's in the shape of the star. Let me just turn this light on and see if I can highlight that for you. There we go. There it is. You can just about see the Montblanc star. Just there. There we go. And then if I tip it over, the leads just fall out. There's one already in situ in place with the clutch mechanism, and there's 2 free leads here. So let's just pop these back in. There we go. Put the rubber back. I like to line it, so I like to have the opening part of the rubber, so you can just loosen this to pull out the rubber, just to line up with the 0.9mm piece there. And then with the cap itself, let's have a look on the inside. There is a plastic insert which clutches onto this metal part here, or sorry, it clutches onto this plastic part here. So it's almost friction fit. Let's just push that in. There we go. I'd just like to do that slowly. Okay, you should feel it stop. And then we can just twist this just to advance the lead. There it is. And to retract it, you just keep the twist open and then push down on the surface just like that, and that goes in, and then you can let go of the actual cap itself. So let's do a quick writing sample. So just got any paper just here. There we go. Let's advance the lead. Let's just do a quick sample here. Right, so what I've got in here is a 2B lead, which is by Pentel. They do these high polymer leads. Montblanc themselves will only sell you the HB, so for writing purposes I found the HB leads to be a little bit hard and a little bit sort of rough. So I've switched to the 2B, or you could even try B if you're going to be using the pencil mainly for writing purposes. So what do I like about the pencil? I like the fact that this is based on the 146 LeGrand model, which is the same as the rollerball and the ballpoint pens. It's the same look, so if you want to buy this pencil to add to your collection, then you know this will fit in very well. You've got the lead that comes out from here, so there isn't a lead sleeve. I would have actually preferred a small lead sleeve, potentially stop any breakage, but because it's a 0.9mm lead, you'd have to press quite hard in order to break the lead. And so you can see it's quite smooth with the 2B lead on here. It's quite weighty as well because of the way the mechanism is quite light. The weight is actually more towards the rear end of the pencil, so you've got the cap itself, which weighs quite a lot actually, and that kind of weighs it down. So in total, the pencil itself weighs around 37.5 grams. It's about 14.9 centimeters long and about 1.5 centimeters at its widest point here. The cap is essentially the same dimensions as the 146 LeGrand ballpoint pens, rollerball or the fountain pen. So essentially you're looking at something which is exactly the same dimensions, apart from the bottom piece here, which is just a little bit thinner to take into account that this is a pencil as opposed to a ballpoint or a rollerball. So it's a very good pencil. I mean, why would you want to buy one of these? That's, as I've said earlier, if you want to complete your collection, you just want all the LeGrand pens for the rollerball, ballpoint pen, the fountain pen, and then the pencil, and also if you'd like something a little bit comfortable when you're holding it, because this is a lot girthier than other pencils. So to give you a comparison of the size, here is a standard HB no name branded pencil compared to the 146 LeGrand, and then we've got a Pentel Graph Gear 1000 here. So this is a true sort of architect's pencil, which can also be used for writing as well. 0.9mm, but you can just see how slim and slender this is compared to the Montblanc pencil itself. So I hope you like this review. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like, and please leave any comments. See you next time. Bye bye.